If your laptop and PC takes longer time while starting, then check this setting. The main reason behind this is when we start laptop, all applications start immediately, and by this laptops become slow. Also, this problem can occur in new laptops also. So press Ctrl Shift and Escape. Task Manager will open. Then go to Startup. Here you will see all those apps which got started when you start your laptop. Then disable all those apps whose startup impact is high. By this process, your laptop will boot fast. Also press Window R and enter these commands. First temp, then delete all these files. Then second, percentile temp, percentile. Also delete all these files. And the third one is prefetch. Delete all these files. Thank you.